How to set up Siser Juliet machine. Beginner's Guide. Step 1. Unbox your machine. Step 2. Remove the packaging from the machine. Step 3. Open the machine's lid and remove the foam. Step 4. Open the blade housing cover and remove the protective foam. Step 5. Press down the main pinch lever on the machine's rear. Step 6. Remove the protective clips from the machine. Step 7. Plug in your machine. Step 8. Unscrew the blade carriage. Step 9. Insert the blade. Step 10. Close the screw on the blade carriage. Step 11. Turn on your machine. Step 12. Tap on settings. Step 13. Tap on Wi-Fi. Step 14. Tap on scan. Step 15. Select your Wi-Fi network. Step 16. Click on Apply. Step 17. Type the network password. Step 18. Tap on Join. Step 19. Tap on Apply. Step 20. Go to the Siser product setup website. Step 21. Select Juliet cutter. Step 22. Create a Siser account window will appear. Step 23. Fill in the information and click on Sign Up. Step 24. Verify your email address. Step 25. After verifying, sign into your Siser account. Step 26. Verify your email address. Step 27. Download the Leonardo Design Studio. Step 28. Open the file and click on Continue. Step 29. Review the license agreement and click on Continue. Step 30. Agree to the terms and conditions. Step 31. Click on Install. Step 32. Enter the password. Step 33. Click on Install software. Step 34. Go to Applications. Step 35. Open your Leonardo Design Studio and sign into your account. Step 36. Click on Siser Cutter on the left panel to register your machine. Step 37. Click on Register a machine. Step 38. You will be redirected to Juliet's setup website. Step 39. Select Juliet cutter. Step 40. Go to your machine display. Step 41. Go to Settings. Step 42. Tap on System Info. Step 43. Enter the MPID number in the serial number field. Step 44. Enter the other details and click on Continue. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mannymaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.